Staying on the flats today. This little guy just came running across the road. Looks like she wants to be friends. Oh wow. What is happening here?
I'm so curious.
Oh my gosh.
You just need to. No.
She wants to fight him.
I'm not
No.
comfortable.
Okay, Florence, wait, let me catch up to you.
No.
Let me catch up to you.
I don't trust this deer.
I don't either, but let me get up here. She'll be afraid of two of us. Hey, go away.
Go.
Go. Go. Florence, let's go this way. Let's get out of here.
Let's go.
You go ahead and I'll... Maybe her babies are nearby. She's marking her territory. Uh-oh. Once we get past this house, we'll be safe.
People scare off. So weird. I just targeted mine.
All right. Well, that was exciting. We are now headed back down valley after being basically attacked by what we think was a mother deer protecting her babies.
Got a little too close.
She somehow focused on Milo and would not leave him alone. Luckily, a car came between us and the deer right when it was lunging, and after that it was chaos. But I think we're in the clear. Signing off for now. This has been enjoyable.